We are taking another look at the Ideogram 4 model. It was a pain in the arse to prompt due to JSON requirements. Well, I fixed that. The nodes that allowed you to draw boxes and place stuff precisely were good, but a faff. You could use an LLM like Claude or GPT to make your JSONs, but they have corporate prude filters. I have made a method to prompt locally uncensored. You can skip the next install bit and go on to the workflow bits and just pester me on Kofi or Discord if you do not do Python stuff. This custom node pack is on my Kofi page. We do need to install something, but I will make this as easy as possible for you. Unzip the custom node from my Kofi page into your custom nodes folder. We then need to install a file called a wheel. I have 3 here included already for you. I am going to install this into the portable version. Navigate as shown. This will not install in the desktop version due to it being pinned and bolted down. Type cmd in the address bar to bring up a command window. Once the command window is open, we need to drag a file in the folder I navigated to, which was Python embedded, and drag the Python exe file to the window as shown. We then type -- version. This gives us our Python version. We need to match this to the wheel. We also need to get our CUDA version. If you look at my shit effort of labeling the portable install, it tells you which CUDA version it is. If your system does not match this, you have bigger issues, but we shall sidestep those. See where the wheel file says CU131 or CU128? That refers to CUDA version. CP312 or others like CP31leb refer to Python version. These must match. Ours for this install is CU128 and CP312. Drag the Python file we did earlier to the window, then type -m pip install and then drag the wheel. Press enter and it will install. It is easy, really. Other wheels matching your Python and CUDA versions can be found here. Links below. Now back to making images. Now our Comfy can handle LLMs, we need to get one. I have a workflow here that just gets a good model. It is 12 gig lightning fast and just works. Just run the workflow and it gets your LLM for you. This node essentially does the magic. You can either type directly into the node with your prompt or use a prompt injector like I have hooked up here. This Nemo model is the one I just showed you a workflow for getting. You can use obliterated, uncensored models, but bear in mind the Ideogram model has guardrails built in. So spicy prompts does not mean spicy output, as Ideogram is a professional-facing model. I am just disconnecting the Zenkai prompt injector by the amazing Drift Johnson to expose the prompt freeform entry. This node reports on the clever stuff my code is doing. By using a smaller LLM, you run the risk of not getting a good or properly formed JSON. My code tidies this up and fixes all of that on the fly. This node just reports what it did. This image is from the LLM. As you can see, it is handling weather, character, etc. really well. We have not lost the bbox stuff either. Look at the text I specified in the prompt on her arm, all nailed. We all know what Ideogram can do, and we do not lose any of that using the LLM to prompt for us. These images show what the LLM is capable of in terms of range. So we have some Geiger to Vapid Instagram, all covered. All of the workflows and stuff can be found on my Kofi page, along with support for all things including installing stuff. If you like this stuff, support me on Kofi. Also come to my Discord to say hi. All links are below.